Welcome to the IAPH Learning Platform. To access the platform, you can go to the IAPH website and click on Training Platform, or go directly to lms.iaph.org. To gain access to the platform, you will be given a username and a password. The platform contains the fields of study, programs, and courses that are available online. IAPH's programs and courses are instructor-led, which distinguishes them. Now let's explore one of the fields of study. By selecting the learning path, you will be able to see all of the various fields of study. Let's choose Health Research and Studies field of study. By clicking on it, you'll get a general overview of the field of study and the programs. The first program is the Foundation in Public Health, which is a 3-month program. The program homepage includes a brief description of the program, learning outcomes, training courses, field work and target audience. Let's explore one of the courses. Research Design course. The course homepage includes a brief description of the course, the biography of the course facilitator, and the course training sessions. As mentioned, the course consists of self-paced component which is designed to be presented as interactive online content, and the instructor led in a format of exercises, open discussion forum, case studies, and etc. As you see in the course homepage, it includes announcements section, where the course facilitator and management team can post announcements for participants. In the Introduce Yourself section, each participant introduces him or herself. In the Ask Instructor section, the participants post their questions to the facilitator, where the facilitator responds to those inquiries in time manner. To receive the course certificate, the participant must complete all training sessions including their respective learning activities. All sessions include self-paced learning component. On the other hand, the majority of them also include learning activities. For example, Session 2, Ecological Studies, the first part is self-paced learning which is designed to be presented as interactive content. The second part of this session is the instructor-led part, where the participants have to complete the assignment and submit it to the course facilitator. The facilitator then evaluates the assignment and share back his feedback with participants. After completing all the course sessions and activities, participants will complete the course evaluation form. Following that, they will receive an electronic certificate signed by IAPH's director. We eagerly anticipate your registration in one of our courses and programs. Visit our website for more information: www.iaph.org.